Welcome to the Red River Valley of North Dakota. A land flowing with milk and honey. You're watching Beet Farmin Mitch. So we've got the STX 450 quad track and 340 power shift going through the shop. We got other tractors we're gonna have to go through, but we'll start with these and keep cycling through them until we're done. Hey, what are you doing up there? Were you sleeping in the cab? Sleeping on the job. Seems like the tractors don't take quite as long, but sometimes they can. Walked into the shop this morning. I think I see a bit of a problem here. You got some coolant on the ground leaking from the quad track. I think there's a drip up in there. So I'm gonna get some floor dry on that and take a bigger investigation in that. But yeah, this thing's got like over 14,000 hours in it. This thing just keeps going. It's a good tractor. Oh, I suppose we better put a coolant pan under here. Oh yeah, I just saw it drip. Oh boy, I see a pretty big puddle in there. I think it might just be coming from this coolant filter, dripping onto that hose and down over to there. Hopefully, it's just loose. Let's see what happens here. It's a little loose. We're gonna put a new filter on here anyway, but we'll see if that stops it for now. If not, we'll just close this and we'll put a new filter on and then check it again. Well, we got through these guys quick. Still gotta wax them, but another set done. We actually had a lot of work to do on these. Drain the oil out of all these bogey wheels and idler wheels. Bit of an ordeal. Coolant leaks fixed. 14,000 hours. Off to another set of tractors. Yeah, this one needs new tires, that's for sure. There we go, we got the old tires loaded up and we'll get some new boots on them. Well, we're gonna go drop these tires off and pick up our filters for our tractors while we're in town, run for lunch, and then start working on filters this afternoon. Lunch! Well, might as well drop the oil while it's hot. Well, we got our filters changed on both these. It's nice when we can get two tractors in here, especially when they're pretty similar like this. You just kind of rifle through them. Everything goes a little quicker. You gotta do fuel filters, you might as well do a set of two at the same time. But we got this done here. I'm gonna fire her up check the oil after I start it because it hasn't been run yet, and then yeah, check things over quick. And still got a good cab to clean here, it looks like, so we'll be busy for a little bit, but let's get it cooking, huh? Here she goes. Let her run for a minute to kind of cycle some of the air through if there's any air stuck in the air filters, because when you change those, you got to prime the seals with oil and you got to fill them with diesel, and then there's still a little air in there, so hopefully that gets all sucked through and we're in good shape. And then yeah, once you start the engine again, the oil will go through the filter, so it goes down a little bit. You want to make sure you got enough oil in your engine. Double check the oil. And Guten Tag, right on the line. Hi, and welcome to Shop Snacks with Beet Farmin Mitch. So my Uncle David, he likes to bring some interesting fun snacks out every time he stops out here. Not every time, it's not expected, but it's always appreciated. We've got some liver pate and some pickled onions to top it off. Maybe throw a little mustard on top too. Step one, you gotta get your premium saltine cracker. Look at that, even comes with a little cracker diagram. First you got your cracker base, your liver pate, top with your pickled onions. So we'll go ahead and do that. You know, this is a delicacy in places of the world. So you got your liver pate, you get your onion, you throw a little mustard on it, a little extra zing. Cheers. Get to the spot, you got the saltine, you got the liver pate, and the pickled onion, that's an interesting little kick on there. It's kind of like a sweet and salty onion a little bit. It's not a super oniony flavor. I'm an onion guy, but you know, it's kind of nice to try something different, so we got that rolling, and then we got a little mustard to kick it off. It's really a nice blend of your savory liver pate, kind of your sweet and salty onion, and then you got kind of your vinegar zing and the mustard. So pretty good combo right there. It's time. Well, Jason's gonna run and get the filters that we need to change on here, fuel, oil, that kind of thing. We got the oil drop in, but might as well start tapping through something. We got our batteries here, and so what we like to do is we like to take these off every year, brush them with the wire brush and some battery terminal cleaner, and then we'll put them back together and put some red protectant spray on there. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. Well, I think that'll be all for me for now. We got our tractors done, and next we'll be rifling through our beet equipment. But anyway, this is Beet Farmin Mitch, and don't forget to keep her sweet.